Best portable tables comparison. Portable massage tables are essential tools for professionals and enthusiasts alike, offering versatility and convenience for a variety of treatments, including massage therapy, physiotherapy, facials, and tattoo artistry. With a wide range of options available, Luxton, the Earthlite Harmony DX is a premium portable massage table crafted with eco-friendly materials and professional-grade features. It boasts a full-sized 30 inches by 73 inches table with adjustable height 23 to 33 inches, 2.5 inches of dual-density cushioning, and NatureSoft PU upholstery for superior comfort. The package includes a patented cloud-fill polygel blend face cradle, a heavy-duty nylon carry case, and a robust maple wood frame, making it ideal for professional use. With a lifetime warranty on the frame and construction, this table is built to last. In terms of performance, the Earthlite Harmony DX excels in stability and comfort, with non-slip feet and a full-length piano hinge ensuring durability during use. The dual-density foam prevents bottoming out, making it suitable for extended sessions, while it's heavier at 38 pounds. The rugged nylon carry case facilitates portability for professionals on the go. This table is particularly suited for practitioners who prioritize eco-friendly design and long-term reliability. Luxton, the Civama massage table offers a lightweight and portable solution for professionals and home users. Weighing only 29 pounds, it features a sturdy wooden frame with a weight capacity of 496 pounds. The table includes customizable accessories such as an adjustable face cradle, armrests, and a storage pocket, enhancing its versatility. With 2-inch high-density foam and waterproof PVC leather upholstery, it provides a comfortable and durable surface ideal for various treatments. This table stands out for its ease of setup, requiring only 2 to 5 minutes to assemble. The compact design and lightweight frame make it particularly suited for mobile therapists or those with limited storage space. However, the narrower width, 23.6 inches without armrests, may not accommodate larger clients comfortably. Overall, it is a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize portability and quick setup. List 3. The KCC Memory Foam Massage Table offers a premium experience at a mid-range price. It features 5 centimeters of foam, including 2 centimeters of memory foam for added comfort, and a sturdy FSC-certified beechwood frame with reinforced hardwood corner blocks. The table includes accessories such as a carrying case, adjustable headrest cradle, and side pouch for oils. With a weight capacity of 500 pounds and adjustable height, it caters to a wide range of users. This table's standout feature is its memory foam cushioning, which provides exceptional comfort for clients during extended sessions. While its weight, 35.6 pounds, makes it less portable than lighter models, the durable construction and luxurious PU leather upholstery make it ideal for stationary use in salons or spas. The setup process is straightforward, but users must ensure the adjustment knobs are firmly locked to maintain stability. List number 4. The Sierra Comfort SC501A is a well-rounded portable massage table designed for versatility and durability. Featuring a beech hardwood frame with multiple support cables, it can handle up to 400 pounds of working weight. The 2-inch high-density foam deck and water-resistant PU leather upholstery offer a comfortable and easy-to-clean surface. Included accessories, such as a face cradle and cushion, add value to the package. This table is relatively lightweight at 30 pounds, making it portable for mobile therapists. The adjustable height range, 25.5 to 33.5 inches, ensures ergonomic flexibility for various user needs. While the foam thickness is adequate, it may not provide the plush comfort found in higher-end models. Overall, the Sierra Comfort SC501A is a reliable choice for those seeking a balance between affordability and performance. List number 5. The Paradmas Portable Lash Bed is an affordable option designed for home use and light professional applications. With a wide design, adjustable features, and a facial treatment hole, it caters to various treatments such as physical therapy, eyelash extensions, and facials. The table is crafted with a durable beechwood frame and includes a carrying case for portability. While budget-friendly, this table offers decent performance for its price. The lightweight construction, 31.9 pounds, and foldable design make it travel-friendly, though it lacks the premium comfort and durability of higher-end models. Its narrower width, 23.8 inches, may limit client comfort during extended sessions. Overall, it is a practical choice for casual users or beginners looking for an entry-level massage table.